Hello, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, namaste, Sat Shri Akal, Hare Rama, Hare Krishna, Assalamu Alaikum. I'm very confident all of you guys are thriving there in Euphoria, and so am I. It's a beautiful afternoon, and we are gonna let's start with the chanting. So today we are talking about this wonderful topic. I have been coming across people asking me how to receive more, Mona. How to receive more opportunities, more friends, true connections, more knowledge, wisdom, more lovely experiences, more money, wealth, prosperity, more healing, more guidance, more love, more connections, more stability in life, more peace in life. How to receive more of myself, more of my beauty, more of my emotional balance. How to receive more. First step to receive more is to acknowledge the present, appreciate the present. You're focusing on receiving more, that's a great thing, but the answer is you got to appreciate where you are in your journey. You got to accept it. You got to acknowledge that I am in the journey to where I'm going, to who I want to become, to what I want to receive, right? Acknowledge the present. You're only living in the future, and you are always worrying about the future because of a present which you didn't connect or resonate or appreciated. At least learn now. I'm going to acknowledge where I am in the journey, and I'm going to appreciate that I'm here, which is better than where I am, and I know what I want, and I'm getting where I want to go. I'm receiving by acknowledging and appreciating where I am right now. Appreciating matlab being thankful for. Appreciating matlab enjoying it, celebrating it, acknowledging it, accepting it. No questions that I'm missing something, that I haven't reached there. Receiving matlab acknowledge, appreciate the present. Got it? The biggest, the greatest, the easiest, the most powerful tool to receive more is to acknowledge and appreciate the present. How can I acknowledge and appreciate the present when I know where I want to go, I'm not there? How to do that? How to achieve that vibration of appreciation and acknowledgement in the present? By embracing the past. Embracing the past. Why are you struggling not to appreciate the present? Because you haven't made peace with your past. You haven't completely embraced it, accepted it, took the lesson from it, loved it, released it. You can only release the memories with the past by embracing it and making peace with it. First, embrace the past, appreciate the present, and receive the future. How to receive more of what I want in the future? How to receive more of what I want right now? By appreciating where I am right now. Appreciate the present. How would I appreciate the present when I'm not able to do it? Why? Because you haven't embraced the past. Embrace the past, appreciate the present, and receive the deserving future in your right here and now. Easy does it? how can I embrace the past when it has lot of pain and memory and struggle and undesirable, unfavorable experiences and memories? Make peace with it. How do I make peace? Forgive yourself for not knowing better in the past. How do I forgive? Meditate, meditate, meditate. Meditate, eat healthy, fasting, affirming. I embrace the past, I embrace the past, I embrace the past, I acknowledge the present. I am fully in the present, acknowledging and appreciating for where I am and allowing myself to receive the future that I deserve. By embracing the past, by making peace with the past, embracing it, accepting it. That was my karma, my journey, my lessons. Embraced it, made peace with it, made peace with all the people and all the experiences and all the memories, released it in the present, appreciating it, acknowledging it, and believing in myself, receiving the future, deserving future in right here and right now. Okay? That's all for now. That's Vidania. Take care of yourself, boost your immune, hydrate yourself, and keep thriving.